Hello and welcome back to the channel. Thought I'd show y'all another project that I worked on a few weeks ago. A good buddy of mine called me up and they just got done getting a 379 Pete customized and painted, and custom bumper, T-bar in the back and T-bar in the front, fenders and everything put on there. They needed somebody to wire up the lights on it, and everywhere they had checked it was about 5 to 6 weeks out. So he's like, man, can you get it done any quicker? And I was like, yeah, I can do it, bring it over. So he delivered it on a Monday and picked it up the following Monday. I had to draw up a schematic and made it look like a cartoon drawing, but I'm not an artist. But anyway, it worked for me. So anyway, I got the schematic drawn up on where the wires needed to go. Made the all the connectors for the front T-bar and the back T-bar. So then I wired up another harness to connect the lights from the front to the back and then to the main plug in the back, and got that all installed and put in. Then I tested out the lights and they were all working like they were supposed to be. And the cover plates to get access to the wiring in the back of the lights, I pulled them off and they were kind of rusty, even though they just got a fresh paint job on the truck. I guess whoever painted it didn't pay too much attention to the underneath. So anyway, I sanded them down. Had to drill a couple holes in each one of them for wiring access to go into it, and then repainted it. And so when I got that done, I put some rubber grommets through the holes so that they wouldn't catch the wires and rub the wires into over time. So then after that, they needed the Airlines hooked up and the main plug for the trailer wired in. So I ordered some shut-off valves for the glad hands, since they don't have a pogo stick on the truck. So they're just going to have glad hands on both ends of the Airlines. And so I got that all hooked up, wrapped any of the spots where the Airlines may rub on the frame with some hose. And then they also were going to replace the front bumper. So I got to looking at that, and they had some plugs up there that went to the existing blinkers. So I wired in another harness that had basically a Y in it, and so that would still work the existing blinkers, and then it goes down to wherever they're going to mount the blinkers that goes on the bumper. So once they install the bumper, all they got to do is plug and play and plug in the light, and it'll be good to go. So I hope you all enjoy this project, and I'll see you on the next video.